Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can play with your friends in Craftsman. So first you have to click on this, not this actually. So let me show you. You have to go back to the game. So I'm going to reload my game here. So you have to simply click on this play button here, and from here you can find the friends tab where you can find the add friends button here. So you have to simply click on add friend, but before that you have to create an account on Craftsman to invite or join others friends that have already created their account on Craftsman. So if your friend have an account, then you can search them with their name tag or game in-game name or the game tag here you can find. And if they doesn't create any account here, then you have to tell them to create an account. Now you have to create a new world here. After that you have to select the multiplayer. At the left side you can find the multiplayer. You have to select the multiplayer, where you can see the multiplayer game is turned on, and you can set the account settings like friends of friends who can actually join your world. You can set it to friends of friends, so your friends and their friends also can join your world whenever they want. And also you can change between them like invite only. That means you can send the invite to a specific player that you want to join your world. Otherwise none other on this Craftsman player can join your world. And if you set it to friends, then all friends are allowed to join your world whenever they want. So then you can set it for like here. After that you have to simply click on create button here, and you can invite your friends to join on your Craftsman world. So that's pretty much all thing about how you can play with your friends in Craftsman. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.